This is Njambiz Tutorials, and today I want to show you how to follow a LinkedIn page using your own LinkedIn page. So basically how to follow other pages as your page on LinkedIn. And this is how we're going to go about it. We'll just dive right in. So to begin, and this is how you do it on your PC. If you want to see the mobile version, head on over to my TikTok at Njambiz Tutorials. I show all the mobile variations of how to do all these neat tricks right there on my on my TikTok, how to do it from your mobile app. You can check that out on my TikTok. As I was saying, you'll navigate to your LinkedIn profile. When you log in, this is the first thing you see, your homepage on your profile. Then go to the specific page you want to follow other pages as. So you can either do that on the side here on the left hand side, select that, or from the profile picture here at the top, the mini menu item at the top. If you click on that drop down, you'll see the pages you manage and you can select the page you want. So I'll go ahead and use my business page, Njambiz Solutions. Now when you land on the page, this is what you'll see. So if you scroll down right here, you'll see page posts, following, employee posts, and sponsored. You select following. It's refreshed. We'll go back down, and as you can see, it's telling you your page cannot follow other pages, so find pages to follow. Click on that and then add the pages that you want to follow. So I'll follow my other pages. Select all the pages that I want to follow. So I've selected 3 pages to follow, as you can see. I'm now following those 3 pages. That is it. And if you close, it saves the changes. And if you scroll down to following, you'll see the pages you followed. If they've posted anything, you'll get that on that feed right there under following. So when you land on your page, it usually takes you to page posts. So if you want to see what the pages you're following are up to, you can go ahead and click following here, and it will load the most recent posts from the pages that you follow. And that is it. That is how you follow a LinkedIn page as your own page. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment below if there's anything you want to see tutorial wise, whether it's about LinkedIn, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, anything digital marketing, and I got you covered. Just leave a comment below and I will get back to you, probably with a video. I might do a whole video just for you because you asked. So yeah, like, comment, share if you found it useful. Someone else might too. Share and subscribe if you haven't. Subscribe to my channel. It is absolutely free to subscribe and it helps to support this channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.